Welcome back to my channel, How to Apps. I'm InvestNet, and today I'll show you how to fix the can't sign in error on CapCut. Firstly, ensure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. A strong and stable internet connection is essential for signing in. If you're facing issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data networks. If the connectivity isn't the problem, ensure that your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions may encounter glitches preventing sign-in. To update the app, head to your device's Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut, and install any available updates. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, you can reset the app. Go to your device's settings, find the Apps option, locate CapCut, and access its storage settings. From there, clear the app's data and cache. This action resets the app, eliminating any glitches or bugs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the can't sign in error on CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you encounter any further issues.